Hello and welcome to my video where I'll be showing you how to navigate through your new Fitbit Inspire 2. As you can see, I've got the Fitbit here in front of me. Now this Fit comes with a touchscreen and two side buttons. So to open up the Fitbit first, what you'll need to do is press the two side buttons like so. As you can see, the display will come on. Now this main face will display a time. Now to navigate through the different options, what you need to do is you need to swipe up like so, or you can also swipe down like so. Now there are 7 different options that you can go through. So you can see that you can go to notifications, exercise, relax, timers, alarms, tile, and settings. Now, the two buttons on the side, when you pinch like so, will act as a back button so that you return to the previous screen. Or what you can also do is from the home screen, swipe down to view your daily activity. So, before you start doing any recording or exercising with the Fitbit on, you just need to make sure that the settings are correct. So go ahead, press both sides of the Fitbit like so, and you can see the time comes up. Now swipe down until you get to the settings menu. There you go, settings, tap on that, and you want to make sure that the settings are exactly the same way mine are set up. So the dim screen should be off, the phone GPS should be on, the heart rate should be on.
And then you don't have to worry about the do not disturb mode or the sleep mode, but the heart zone notifications mode needs to be turned off.
Another setting that you need to make sure is in the right mode is the quick settings. So go ahead and pinch the Fitbit for 2 seconds like so, and then you have this menu come up. So what you want to make sure is when you scroll down to the bottom of this menu is that the bottom setting says on wrist and not on clip. So if it says on clip, just go ahead, tap the screen, and then tap the tick button like so. But you want to make sure it is on wrist and not on the clip.
Now I'm going to show you how to set up the settings in the Fitbit app. The first thing you'll need to do is tap the icon in the top left hand corner of your screen that shows your profile picture. Then scroll down and click on the tab that says App Settings. You should then see this screen. You're going to want to set the time zone to the correct place, so go ahead and press on the time zone tab at the top, and you want to make sure that the Set Automatically tab is ticked. Next, the Units tab, you should have the following icons ticked: centimeters, kilometers, kilograms, millimeters, meters, and then you want to make sure that the kilojoules and the Celsius is also ticked. You can then return to the previous menu by again pressing the icon in the top left hand corner, and the Start Week On tab needs to be selected and set to Monday. And finally, when you go back, you then need to select the Location tab, which also needs to be switched on to automatic mode. So right now you can see it's switched on to automatic. You can then return to the previous menu, which you can see right now. If you then scroll up to the top of the screen and press on the tab that says Inspire 2 with a photo of the Fitbit on the left hand side, you can then enter the Inspire 2 settings, where you'll be able to change the clock faces by pressing on the clock faces icon. So, now as you can see here, this will be the clock face that your Fitbit is currently using. So if you go into the top right hand corner and then select the menu where it says all clocks, it will then display all the possible clocks that you can have for your Fitbit. So feel free to choose one that you like the most. Now, for the mindset study, when you do your 6-minute walk test, you'll need to have the exercise shortcut set up. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to go into the exercise shortcuts menu, which can be found near the bottom of the screen where you selected the clock faces icon. So once you've done that, you should see this screen or a very similar one with the list of exercises that you could do. Now, you may need to delete an exercise as the Fitbit app will only allow you to have 6 exercises on there. So if the walk exercise is not already on there, you will have to delete an exercise, but I'll show you how to do that in another video. Now, in order for you to add the walk exercise shortcut to your list, you need to press the blue exercise shortcuts button at the bottom of your screen. It should then take you to the original list of exercises that you've got. Go ahead and tap the walk tab, and then when it says show laps, it should naturally be switched off. You're going to want to switch it to automatic and have the lap type every minute, and you want to have a lap every 3 minutes. So once you've done that, you can then return to the list of exercise shortcuts, and that should have the walk exercise in those following settings. So you can then go ahead and move that all the way up to the top of the list using the edit function. And just one last thing that you need to remember is that on this screen where it says wrist, you need to make sure that it is set on the hand that you're going to be wearing it on. So if you're going to be wearing it on the hand that you write with, so your dominant hand, go ahead and switch that top tab to the dominant hand. And if you're going to be wearing it on your non-dominant hand, so the hand that you don't do anything with, or the hand that is weaker, make sure that that is set onto non-dominant just like it is now. And that should be everything that you need to know for this video. So I hope you found it helpful, and remember to stay tuned for the next one.